and so easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Now in this video I'm gonna show you 5 different hairstyles that gonna make you look very cute, and everyone gonna say, oh my god, how you make that hairstyle. So if you want to look very cute and want to grab that attention, then yeah, keep on watching this video. So if you are seeing this face for the very first time, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it so that you can often see me and you're gonna get notification whenever I upload a video. So without any further ado, let's get diving. The very first hair I'm gonna show you is extremely simple. If your hairs are not free, you can go for any of the partition. Either you can go for right or left. I usually go for right partition because that suits my face the best. So you have to figure it out which partition looks good on you. If you are doing the left side partition, then go for this side. Because I'm doing the right side partition, I'm gonna take this here and grab them and put it under my ears like this, okay, and smoothen it out. You can use a serum for that. So yeah, and keep this hair as normal. So yeah, our first hairstyle is done. It's so easy, right? I really like this hairstyle. You can leave this hairstyle at this point only. It already looks so chic and elegant, but you just want to amp up the look, and then all you need are bobby pins. I have 3 bobby pins. Now what I'm gonna do is take my hair like this and keep the pin over here and pull it back like this. That it's gonna create a line over here, if you can see. Take another pin, do it at some distance from the first one and like this. Take the third pin, keep it here and like this. So yeah. So easily we got another look and another style. You can see over here it looks so different and so classy and fancy, but at the same time all you need are bobby pins. I'm gonna show you another hairstyle with the same partition. For that you have to take this segment of hair. So you don't have to be very particular about the segment. You can take as many as hair strand you want. Segment like this and make this 3 strand. Now you're gonna do the regular braids that you used to do in your school and keep on braiding like this. So when it comes little down, you will have these hairs at the front. So what you're gonna do is actually grab them and mix with these. So you're gonna do it like this, the way you do French braiding.
So keep on braiding this hair till you want, and once it has been done according to your want, keep this hair back and fix this with a bobby pin. And tada! Another hairstyle is done.
Drum rolls, our next hairstyle is ready. So again it looks very elegant, and as we have put this hair back, so it gives that edgy look. So we have braids over here. So what we can do, if you want to convert this look into ethnic one, you got that small decorative items for your hair, you can put actually into your braids and it's gonna look so cool. It's time for the third hairstyle, and for that I'm actually gonna change the partition and make it the middle one. Middle partition also looks very chic and very good if you just know how to style it. So for that I'm gonna again not free my hair, take this hair back like this, okay, and make sure that your hair are actually sticking properly to your scalp. Grab your hair like this at your back and take a scrunchie and tie your hair at the back like this. Now this is the hairstyle, you can go for it. Again looks so chic and classy. This hairstyle is my personal favorite. Let me tell you the few benefits of this hairstyle. The very first one is, in case your hair is oily and you have to go outside, you don't have time to wash your hair and you are ready to go out without looking champu. Second benefit of this hair is, if you want to look very stylish, classy, at the same time you don't want your hair to fall here and there and irritate your skin, and make this hairstyle it just perfect for that, because your hair gonna be at one place, it's not gonna flow here and there, and at the same time you're gonna look very stylish. The third benefit of this hairstyle is, you can actually rock this hairstyle, you know, during weddings or special occasion where you want all the attention on your face, makeup you have done, the big statement earrings, the mang tika. For that it's really good. This hairstyle is great for formal occasion where you will be giving presentation and attending a meeting. This hairstyle is very cute and give you that elegance and grace at the same time. If you think that this hair gonna irritate you, then what you can do is remove this and actually make a low bun. So yeah, choice is all yours how you gonna work with it. So yeah, now it's bun and it's not gonna irritate your skin. And again, rock this look in winter season, like decorate this low bun with some fancy stuff and you're good to go. You also can buy these kind of hair accessories to make your hair look cute, because they are very cheap and at the same time add so much to your hairs. So yeah, it instantly looks so cute. And talk about this hairstyle. Now what all you need to do is mid partition your hair and comb it properly. You can also use hair gel or hair wax to keep it in proper place, but my hair are sleek and straight, so I don't have to do much about this. So yeah, it instantly looks so good. Like, look at me, I look so cute and there are no hair on my face. At the same time it looks so elegant. This hairstyle looks great if you are wearing something off shoulder dress or off shoulder top and some sari. If you want to flaunt your collarbones, this hairstyle is to go for. This looks so classy, elegant and cute at the same time. And if you don't feel comfortable putting your hair all back, then what you can do is take some hair and do it like this. So yeah, next hairstyle, it looks so cute. So all you need to do is play around with your hair and see that what's gonna look and suit your face. So yeah, this looks again very cute. Now this looks very elegant, so if you want to make this hairstyles little cute, like little cute, if you're wearing some kind of frock and some kind of pink cloth that gonna make you look like Barbie doll, then what you can do is then buy these kind of tic tac pins. All you need to do is pin like this and see, I look so cute. I am totally loving this look. It looks so good. You can style this at one side or you can also put at both the sides. I just love it one side. So yeah, this is the look that you can totally rock if you want to go something. I also like to mention a cute hairstyle that you can rock this wedding season, and it's typical ethnic look. For that, it's done like the middle partition. You're gonna take one strand from here and partition it with 3 strands like this and gonna make braids. And again, the way we did the French style before, we're gonna pull hair from here and take it other side. We're gonna take the hair from this side and repeat the same. And it's done. It looks so cute, so beautiful, so ethnic and so easy at the same time. If you want, you can pull out some hair from here like this. It's totally look very gorgeous. Now with this style, you can put this big mang tika over here. It's gonna look so damn good. I really like this hair. This is my go-to hair if I'm attending any wedding function. So this wedding season, you can try this hairstyle and it's gonna look very cute. I'm totally loving this hairstyle. Like, so cute. and so easy. I remember my mother used to do this hairstyle for me when I was kid, and she used to put those little colorful pins over here that used to look so cute. So yeah, this hairstyle you can totally rock, and it's so pretty. I'm back to my classic hairstyle. Now you will see me almost every time making this hairstyle only, because this is so easy and so elegant at the same time. It makes me look so cute. So I really hope that you enjoy watching this video. If you try any of these hairstyles, then don't forget to mention me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Beauty by Arushi. You can tag me there, and you can also follow me on Instagram for daily updates. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, comment down below that what was your favorite hairstyle, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.